Hey, welcome back to Java tutorials. In this video, I will talk about what is object creation in Java and one coding example for calling methods. If you have seen my previous videos, you already know that objects are basic building blocks of the program. These are useful for calling methods and instance variables. I created a class. Now let's declare some instance variables. Suppose n1 equal to 10 and n2 equal to, let's say, 20. Here I am creating a method for addition, public void add. This is the syntax for method creation. In that we are making addition. So far I created two instance variables and one method for the addition of n1 and n2. Now let's take main method. Now our next target is we have to call this method here. For that we need to create one object. The syntax of the object creation is, so we need to give the class name, then object. You can give whatever name you want. Then new keyword, then class name, open and closing parenthesis, semicolon. Now we are calling the method add. Save the code and run. Now you can see the output. Simply you can write like n number of methods here. Those ones we will call here using object. obj1 dot. You have to give the same exact name, otherwise the compiler throws the error. So you don't need to write any code here. Simply you need to understand how to create a methods and how to call a methods. We'll also do this one in another way. First I created a method and giving arguments here n1 and n2. What it does addition n1 plus n2. Here I haven't given any value to the variable, but I gave the arguments here and the same thing I'm passing here. So the method is good, but still we are getting here the compile time error. It is asking expected two arguments but zero found. So what are those arguments? Those are integer arguments. Whatever the data type you have given here, you have to give the same arguments here. Comma 30. Save the code and run it. Now you can see 50. That's how we can create and call methods using objects. I hope you enjoy watching my tutorials. See you in my next video. Stay tuned and meanwhile happy learning.